It is really difficult to understand a customer, but without understanding them, we can't even move forward. That is why in this video today, I will be covering the 10 things your customer don't tell you, but you really need to know. Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Himanshu Upadhyay and I'm glad to have you all on my channel over a coffee with Himanshu, where we help you develop a vision and learn how to develop marketing and business strategies. So if you are interested in learning what, when, where, why and how of marketing, you might want to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Have you ever wondered how cool it would be if you could read your customer's mind? Solve the issues even before your customers realize they have one. If you do that, you would convert your customer into such a brand ambassador for you that it will be more valuable than your biggest marketing campaign. But is it even possible? Well, if you ask anyone what is the best way to get customer insights, 99% of the times you'll get the same answer. That is market research, which includes surveys, focus groups, or asking your customer directly. Voice of customer or VOC in short. However, the problem is what the customer says is mostly different from what they actually feel and think. Okay, so let me ask you one thing. Have you ever heard your customer say that everything was fine, okay, but you actually know there was some issue? To understand the real meaning behind their words and action, you have to first know the customer service foundation principle number 1. That is, the customers are people. The best way to uncover what your customers really want you to know is to first think of them as people and not just customers. They are not just numbers on your business report or statistics on your strategy deck. They are people like you and me. People who act and think according to their perceptions and emotions. You cannot expect them to be logical all the time. Also, they will always have a bias when they make a purchase decision. Fortunately, we have years of research, case studies, and human behavior experiments that outline the basic human needs and desires, making our task a little bit easier to understand what our customers think. So, let's jump straight to the 10 things your customers won't tell you, but you really need to know. Point number 1 is that quality is more important than speed. Well, it is worse to deliver the wrong product or bad quality products on time than to deliver the right product and the right quality of the product a little bit late. Point number 2 is they don't really care about you. What they care about is the solution that you provide to their problem. Next is the customers shop emotionally but defend logically. Well, you'll find a lot of customers who shop at a luxury store, and if you ask them why they shopped there, they'll tell you the features of that product, which would not even be considered while they are shopping. Point number 5 is they love personalization. Well, this can be a big tool for a small retailer or a startup because of small scale of work or small scale of operations. They can do a lot of personalization for their customers. Point number 6 is you cannot make promises that you can't keep. Well, whatever you have committed or communicated to the customers, you have to deliver it. Hence, proof checking your advertisements becomes so very important. There have been multiple disasters when an advertisement commenting or communicating about XYZ gratification that was actually misprinted had created a lot of chaos at the point of sale of that brand. Next is be happy when they complain. Well, if a customer is actually taking the pain to come to you and tell you what is wrong, you get the opportunity to correct your action and try to convert them into your loyal customer. Point number 8 is they have a really short attention span. This is the reason you have to push your campaign at multiple touchpoints of the same customer so that they can remember your communication. Next is they want you there 24/7. Well, this is actually important. If you are not available at any point of time, they will not come back to you. The last and probably the most important point is that they will never be loyal to you. Don't get me wrong. Your customer might be coming back to you and shopping again and again, but most of the time they will also be shopping at your competitor. That is why the actual fight is to get the maximum portion of their pocket. This is where you have to focus and concentrate. So, keeping these 10 things in mind will help you understand your customers in a much better way. And if you want to learn more, please watch all of our videos. They will definitely help you improve your business and marketing strategies. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time over another round of coffee.